Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. Well, I've got a mess going on as usual, but this is the way I guess I like it. I've got so many things going on that I'm pulling a few hairs I have left out. But got the rat rig. I'm actually doing a lot of work on it now. I'm printing Christmas cards. I'm getting ready to start second color here. I just changed the filament to the gold, so it's going to start printing the gold color. And this is what they are going to come out like. They're little reindeer. I think they're reindeer, but they're little kit cards I'm going to send out for Christmas, and then people can put them together. The other things I've been working on are these little toys that you pull a string and they move. But this is a nutcracker. This is more of the nutcrackers. Got some elves and some gingerbread men. But those have been really fun to print, and they quite interesting the way they work. But I'll try to show that in another video later on. But I don't know how many of these I'm going to end up making. But so I got those going on. I just got some things from Bambu Labs in to make some toys. Little men that jump up and down, and a piano that plays. And so I'm printing another set of Christmas cards on the bamboo. And that's what these look like. And they fold, they tear out to make a little angel with wings stick out. And this is where I'm printing the nutcrackers on the Prusa. And I'm really happy now because this thing just hadn't been working. It kept jamming on the nozzles. So I went ahead and I just got frustrated and got a whole new set of nozzles from Fadus. And this is what the old ones were doing. They would just, the filament would clog in the end of it and just wouldn't come out, wouldn't go through it. So I'd have to heat them up with a heat gun and pull it out and then clean out the nozzles. So I was doing that, oh god, a couple times a day with those. And I got these new ones, and it's been working for over a week now non-stop. So I'm really happy with that. I also had problems with the bamboo, and I got it fixed. This slot number 3 was not feeding correctly. So, and then I had problems with the Magneto. A couple of problems. There's a circuit breaker in here. Probably not a good idea to do this while it's running, but what the heck. The circuit breaker kept popping. So I got a new one from Pilapi. And then I realized it probably wasn't that as much as the wiring. It was just undersized and it had broken, and so it was just a real problem. Then I got that fixed, and then it wouldn't run because the 48 volt power supply, and these contacts were loose on the bottom. So I had to take the whole thing apart to fix that. And they helped me out a lot, saying what to, or gave me suggestions on how to fix it. But so I've got most of the printers running and got a lot of things going on them. So that's the way I like it. And I just got the cameras hooked back up. Those weren't working because we changed internet provider. So I had to reprogram 5 of the cameras. It's always something. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. But it's a fun hobby. It always keeps you busy, and there's always things to do. Well, thanks for watching.